Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing the first ever clean with me at the new house. And a lot of you guys requested to see this, and it's about time because this place is getting a little out of order, a little messy, dirty, so we got a lot of cleaning to do today. I have my little handy dandy cleaning bag. I used to use that round basket that you might have seen in my last clean with me video, but it's a little hard to carry around, so I just used this little like reusable bag and put my little sprays in here. I have my extra pads, cloths, paper towel, all that good stuff. Since this house is 3 stories, it's a lot of going up and down, carrying all the products around, so I find carrying it in a bag a lot easier. And I have my vacuums and mops ready to go here. Everything is charged, so I'm ready to start cleaning. So let's go ahead and start with this bedroom. All right, so this is our master bedroom. It is what you would call a very messy bedroom. Since we moved in, we haven't really put things where they're supposed to be in this room. It's kind of disastrous. We got things piled on this cat tower, all over this console. We got cat food everywhere. It's just looking really, really gross. So it is time to start cleaning this room. So usually I like to tackle the biggest thing first, so that's the bed here. I'm taking all of these dirty sheets off and putting fresh new ones on. I'm just gonna bring these sheets straight to the laundry room to drop them off there for now and just grab some fresh new ones to put on the bed in the meantime. And of course I'm putting fresh new pillowcases on. I don't know if you guys know the pillowcase trick, but someone taught me it a long time ago. You flip your pillowcase inside out and pull the pillow through like a sleeve, and it just makes it so much easier to put pillowcases on the pillows. And of course Stu is always here when I'm trying to make the bed. He's always making an appearance. As soon as he hears the sheets rustling around, he's there instantly, watching, getting in the way, you know, being a cat. Now it's time to clean my side of the bed, and this side is pretty embarrassing. I've just left so many things over here just hoping no one will see it, so it's time to find everything a new home. And yeah, I just need to clean this whole side up, my nightstand, dust everything off, just get everything out of the way so I can finally walk to my bed properly. And then I'm just doing the same thing on the other side, just putting away all the clothes that pile up here, getting rid of boxes and garbage, and just really tidying it all up so it looks clean and neat. Then I'm going to be using my favorite cleaning spray. It's a multi-purpose spray by Method. I get it at Target and it just smells amazing. Oh my gosh, and we seriously have a water bottle problem. Like, there's so many in this bedroom alone. I crushed them all to try and make them smaller and just get rid of them because it looks so junky. Now that I finally have everything in the garbage or put away, I'm dusting this whole bedroom. So I'm cleaning up this whole TV stand with my Swiffer duster and using the same Swiffer duster to clean down my blinds here. This is the easiest way to clean blinds. It's super quick. You just wipe them down with your Swiffer and you're good to go. And I always make sure to clean this carpet. Since it's so light, I feel like it collects things. Things hide inside this rug. It always needs to be cleaned. So I'm using this little baking soda and essential oils mixture. I'm just putting a little bit of baking soda, some lemongrass, and orange essential oil, mixing it up and sprinkling it on my carpet. I started doing this ever since I saw it on my friend's Instagram account called Kristen made. She made this little carpet cleaner and I've been doing it ever since. It makes my carpet smell so good. You sprinkle it around and then let it sit for like 15 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna put this little Roomba on and have it going down my hallway. The cats like to sit around this whole area a lot, so it collects a lot of cat fur. So I'm just trying to multitask while I wait for my baking soda mixture to set into my carpet. So I'm just doing some laundry, waiting for the Roomba to go down the hallway, and then I'll go back in there and vacuum it all up. If you guys haven't tried this to clean your carpet, you definitely need to try. It's super easy, it makes your room smell so good, and definitely takes away that like dirty feet smell that kind of sticks to your carpet. So I highly recommend doing this to your carpet just to keep it nice and fresh. And now moving on to my master bathroom. I have clearly been very lazy about putting things away, so it's looking very messy. My glass shower is just so gross and dirty, so that needs to be cleaned, and I just need to put all of this away and just tidy it all up. So I'm just gonna start by putting everything away. Whatever's on the counter that I use daily, I like to keep in this basket. And then everything that I don't use daily that's just left out, I'm gonna put away in my cupboards, in the drawers, in the little medicine cabinet I have here, so everything is back in its place. And with that same multi-surface cleaner that I love, I'm cleaning down the counters and the sinks and just getting rid of any kind of buildup that's left on this counter. And just to make this bathroom look even better, I'm cleaning down all the doors and drawers just to clean it all up. Since they're white, you can kind of see everything on there, so I'm just wiping that all down. And of course, never forget to clean your mirror. It always makes such a big difference when you have a clean, fresh mirror. And then again, using the Windex for this glass shower, cleaning the outside and the inside to get all of those watermarks off. Now I'm just doing my little finishing touches in this hallway, just dusting off these blinds with my Swiffer and using the same thing to dust in between the banister. I usually have to clean these stairs quite often, so I just use my little handheld vacuum just to go up and down the stairs really quickly and get in all the corners. And now onto this main floor powder room. I'm just giving all the surfaces a nice wipe down with my multi-surface cleaner. I'm doing the sink, the counters, the doors, the drawers, and the mirror. Now moving on to the most used place in the house, the kitchen. I'm starting this off by lighting a little grapefruit candle just to make it smell really nice in here. And then I'm just going around the kitchen and putting everything back in its place, putting everything that's not supposed to be there back where it's supposed to be, and just really tidying it all up. And of course, I'm back with my multi-surface cleaner. I use it on seriously everything just because it smells so good. I love the way it cleans, and everyone just loves the way it smells. So I use it on everything so that my whole house smells so good. Another thing I use to make this kitchen look really clean is this stainless steel cleaner for my appliances. So I use it on my stove, my fridge, and my dishwasher, and it gets rid of any kind of fingerprints or streaks or any kind of buildup left behind, and it leaves the appliances looking super shiny and clean. And then again, I'm using this multi-surface cleaner to wipe down all of the cupboards and drawers in the kitchen. Just because they get food splatters on them, fingerprints, any kind of marks, I just take it all off with this cleaner, and it just leaves this whole kitchen looking super white and shiny. Now moving on to this little dining space here, I just like to make sure that this table is clean and the chairs are clean. So I like to wipe down the surfaces and use my little handheld vacuum to get all the crumbs out of the table because they really get stuck in there. So I use my little handheld to do that. And I use it to vacuum up the chairs just to get rid of any cat hair left behind. They love to sit on these dining room chairs. then just finishing this kitchen space off by vacuuming, just getting rid of all the crumbs off the floor. It's super easy to do this with a cordless vacuum. I only use this cordless vacuum now because it's so much easier to get under tables and you're not limited in any way. I also use the little handheld part again to just get rid of all the cat food that got left behind. And the last room to clean up on this level is the family room, and this room doesn't usually get too dirty. It's just about it looking messy. All these pillows end up everywhere, blankets on the floor, things out of order. So I'm just gonna do a quick tidy up in here and make it look nice and presentable again. I'm just gonna use my multi-surface cleaner again to clean on top of this little pony wall. My cats love to sit on top of this pony wall, so it gets a lot of like little cat paw prints on it and just gets a little dirty, so just wiping that off makes such a big difference. And then since this entire level is tile flooring, I'm just gonna mop this entire space using my Swiffer wet jet. Now I'm working my way down to the first level of the house. I'm just vacuuming my way down using my little handheld vacuum to do each and every step. So this front entryway just needs a lot of work by just cleaning up all these shoes. There's so many shoes here because we do have family in town, so there's a lot going on here. I'm just putting away whatever shoes I can into the front closet just to make it look a lot cleaner, and then just use my vacuum and my Swiffer wet jet just to clean up this whole floor. Alright guys, that's it for today's clean with me at the new house. Everything is put away, cleaned, shiny, and the house just smells so good now. So I'm very happy that I did this at the beginning of the week. So hopefully we'll have a clean house for the rest of the week. I hope this video can give you guys that cleaning motivation that you guys need to clean your house. I just did the main areas today because that's what really matters to me. So it's just a few hours of quick cleaning and now it's totally worth it. If you guys enjoyed watching this clean with me video and want to see more, definitely give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and click the red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you guys never miss a video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!